Hey there bike enthusiasts! Check out the Kryptonite Bicycle Security Gravity WheelNutz Bike Lock with its innovative gravity locking system that secures your front wheel effortlessly. Installation is a breeze, requiring only a 15mm wrench, and best of all, no keys are needed. The WheelNutz feature an internal lockout function that activates when you turn your bike upside down 180 degrees, adding extra security. Pair it with the Messenger Mini Lock for a complete and reliable bike protection solution. Its weather-protective coating prevents corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability even in harsh conditions. Available in multiple thread sizes including the popular M9, M10, and 3/8 inch, it fits a variety of bicycles. Weighing just 81 grams per set, this lightweight lock won't weigh you down on your rides. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.